Hello guys, welcome to the manager. My name is Prudence. Now you may want to add your private email or your business email account to another email client like your Gmail. Okay, this actually give you the ability to see your business email alongside your regular ones in your Gmail. Yes, in your Gmail you can send message and receive message using your business email account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can configure your Gmail fetcher for business account. So first, we're going to log into our Gmail account. Yes. So you open your Gmail account. Yes, as soon as you open your Gmail account, click on this setting icon. Look for the setting icon, click on it. Then click on see all settings. You click here. Then you come to your account and import over here. Click on it. Then click on add a mail account. I'm going to click here. So here they will request for your business email account you want to add to the Gmail. So I'm going to add the email account, my business email account info. So as soon as you add your private email, click on next. Yeah, you select this import email from my other account POP3. Then click on next. So yeah, your username is your email account, your business email. So I'm just going to copy this and paste here. Paste. Then the password, your email account password. Just gonna copy my password, copy, then I'll paste it here, paste. Then you leave this POP server as mail.finance development. Ensure you have a mail before it. So then in our port area, I'm going to change this to 995. This is to enable SSL. So as soon as I change this to 995, I'm going to click on always use a secured connection, which is your SSL. Yeah, this ensures security. It means that your messages are secured. So I'm going to click on label incoming messages here, activate this, then leave a copy of retrieve message. This that I'm going to activate this. Yes, then I'll click on add account. Yes, please ensure you change this. Though you can also use port 110, but your connection won't be secure. So in order for you to enable SSL, you must use port 995. So click on add account. Yeah, I know that this password isn't correct. 995. Paste. Add account. Okay, now I'm going to close this. So your mail account has been added. So now this will enable you to receive message from your Gmail after doing this. So if you want to set it up in such a way that you can also send message with your business account through your Gmail, you say yes, I want to be able to send mail as info@financedevelopment.com. Your business name will display here. Then click on next. So here now they are asking that you enter the name you want to display if you send message through your business email. So I'm going to enter the name of my company. Finance development. Yeah, I'm supposed to. So enter the name of your company, then click on next. Then here, ensure you put your mail first. mail.financedevelopment.com. Then here you enter your email address as your username, then your password, your email password. paste. So your port, I recommend you use 465. 465 enables your SSL, which means your mail is safe. Although you can as well use the port 857. So the port 857, which is your transport layer security, is an upgraded version of your SSL. So it helps to solve SSL vulnerability. But I just recommend you use the SSL. Yeah. So here we'll add account. Good. So what they say, confirm verification and add your email address. So a mail, like a message, a confirmation message has been sent to your email account. So what you're going to do, I will close this window, then I will come to my Gmail account. Check your inbox. Click on it. Okay, it won't display. Okay, Gmail team. This is the confirmation message. Click on it. Then these are the, please click the link below to confirm your request. So I'm going to click here. Then click on confirm. So you see now you have successfully added your Gmail account. Added your business mail to your Gmail account. So you're going to click on this link. Click here to return to your Gmail account. I'll click here to return to my Gmail account. So guys, this is your Gmail. Now, if you want to send message now, you come to compose. Yes. So here, under this drop down, you will select. If you want to use your regular email, it will display here from. So you will select it. But if you want to use your company email, yeah, you will select your company's email. So when you click here, then you add the mail you want to send, the email address you want to send it to, the subject, then you write your this thing, then you click on send. So guys, this is how you add your business email to your Gmail account. Without using your webmail. Through your Gmail, you can access your business email. So this is how you successfully do that. I hope this video was very useful. Please kindly click on the like and the subscribe button. If you have any question, do not hesitate to drop a comment. Thank you.